Friday Workshop.
It's another week.
It's another one.
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop's many things, really things. What are we doing in the workshop?
And what are we doing this week?
This week we're comparing tools we never should have done.
These are the 5 worst tools in our shop. They're 5 tools that we should probably avoid buying ever again.
Yep. So here we go. First up, square.
A square?
Yeah. The problem with this one, it's not actually square. Whatever company made this, they did it very... Stanley, yeah. Stanley, you didn't do a good job.
Yeah. I don't think it was square when we bought it. It's definitely not square whenever we use it.
We've had to pound it down, but even then we can't get it.
Yeah.
So we suggest just getting like a normal orange square to use. But we would like a pretty big one, because sometimes we deal with big projects.
Yeah, so a T-square would be a better option like this, something we could lock down with a little bit thicker metal that's not going to bend and twist so much and come out of square. You know what this is?
I don't know. It's all broken. It looks like.
So this is a box strap. You get these at Harbor Freight and some other places. They have these little corner pieces on there. Notice there's only 2 corners. You lose these things. The strap is hard to get on. It twists the project itself, so you end up with this twisted mess of a project. They're just horrible.
Yeah.
We haven't found a real great way to keep projects square. We sometimes will get a square piece of wood and then kind of clamp that square piece of wood together. That's kind of the best way. One way that we found is these little Harbor Freight corner pieces to kind of get things square. The strap is just horrific. I hate it.
Wire strippers. You know, when you're looking at it on camera right now, it doesn't seem like it's actually that bad, does it?
No.
Yeah, but there's some big problems.
Yeah, they're really bad. They're flimsy. The handles come off. They're just really unusable. They don't strip wires well. The metal's so thin that it kind of bites in. And you can't cut anything.
Yeah, we have a better one right over here.
Made by Vice Grip.
Mm-hmm. It works a lot better than this one does.
Yeah, quality wire strippers. You can see the quality in them. The metal is a lot thicker. It's just a much better product. Rotary tool.
Yeah.
Actually,
I kind of like this one.
We love our rotary tool. However,
it's battery powered.
It's battery powered. And what happens when you get a tool that spins and you run it on a battery?
It runs out pretty quickly.
Really quickly. So this is one of the tools that we recommend not getting on a battery and actually getting a corded version of the tool. And we love the idea of the rotary, and we love it whenever we use it for the few minutes that we can. But we need something that plugs into a wall.
Because this thing, it's like 5 minutes.
It just sucks up battery. It's ridiculous. So rotary tool, battery powered.
Yeah, never get it. You know, I actually don't mind these kind of chisels, but there's one big problem with it. How thin it is, and the material, it's all curved. It's not straight, and whenever we do try to bend it back, we can't get it perfectly straight how it was originally. It's just really bad quality for the chisel.
Yeah, so we got this set of chisels from Harbor Freight, and most of the chisels are actually really good, and chisels are really as good as you keep the edge on them. And so we keep the edge really sharp, and we're pretty good at making a really sharp edge and doing them really well. However, the other part is the smaller chisels are made of just not as good quality material, right? Just not a great metal that will stand force. And so this is us bending it back into shape. You can see there's a curve in this. It's just, yeah, if it was straight, then yeah, but you can see that curve right there. It's a tough product to use.
Just doesn't work very well.
So if you get the thinner, this is a 1/4 inch one right here. I would say 1/4 inch. Once we went up to 1/2 inch, we don't have a problem with the metal. I'd say try to get a 1/4 inch chisel in a little bit better quality.
Friday Workshop!
And that's Friday Workshop. 5 tools that we really probably wouldn't buy again.
Yeah, well, we wouldn't get these ever again. Like, if we could have redone it.
Hopefully, you guys can avoid the same mistakes we have and maybe avoid some of these tools. So, that's basically Friday Workshop. If you like videos like these,
like and subscribe.
Click on that bell notification.
Because we post every single Friday.
Even more. So, you don't want to miss any of those videos.
So, until next time, see ya!
See ya.